There we go. I'm recording now.
Hello.
Ooh. Oh, that's you, Kane. Sorry, I just hit you.
I did.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we're not.
Hey, with the deagle. Holy moly. Oh, man.
Thank you, Daddy. Yes, my chicken treat. Finally.
What the hell? John Ray person's feasting. Oh, it's been so long. It's been forever.
What?
Yeah, it's been so long. And I've got tons of keyboard clicks. And we have a fly hacker. Isn't that awesome?
What?
Yeah, we have a fly hacker. I think.
Oh.
I'm gonna know. And you've been known.
Did you say call me? I heard you.
No! No!
What happened?
I was on a killing spree like dude.
You were on a what?
I was on like a killing spree of people with a deagle. Oh, that's you, Kane. Sorry. Oof.
What's your name?
Ignited _Springtrap 14.
That wasn't me.
No, I almost killed you.
You were nowhere near me.
Okay, once this video comes up, I'll show you.
Tell everyone I said hi.
Well, they can hear you.
Oh, hi. I'm like, tell them I said hi.
I know, right?
But they can hear you. Oh, hi.
I'm a gnome, and you've been gnomes.
Whoa, what was that?
But, bam, bop, pow, 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 pow,
Ignited Springtrap, I'm coming.
Don't kill me, don't kill me. Okay. I'm good. Hey, Kane.
If I can kill 150 people last game, I can kill 200. Look at this. I'm like a gnome. And you be gnome.
Okay, please stop with that meme. Dun, dun,
But
dun.
you be gnome.
Oh. Oof. I just got ripped.
That's how long I've been playing this game for.
No idea how long you've been playing this game for. Like 15 years, I'm pretty sure.
No.
For a year?
I'm 15. I've been playing for 2 weeks.
No, you haven't.
Yes, I have.
No, you haven't. Nope. Getting double teamed by noobs.
You know, are you getting third party?
Yeah.
No, hacker, he's in the ground.
Great. Now I
He's a
have to
floor
expose another hacker. I'm coming. Don't worry.
Boom. See, he's literally under the ground.
Well, I'm right here, sir. I'm good. Oh my god, I can't build. I'm so sad. Oh, yeah. Oh. What the fuck? What the hell?
Someone's robbing our tribe. Someone's robbing us for the flag.
Oh, holy moly, John Ray. You are really good.
No.
I didn't even realize I have 6 kills somehow. I thought I got like 1,500.
Ah. Sam, I thought I've got like... I think out of my top kills, I've got 12, right?
Mm-hmm.
And it says I've got 2.
Ha! Get wrecked! I haven't used a shotgun in a little while. Henry! Ay.
Sorry, I stole your turn. Up there is a default standing still. Got the kill?
Nope.
How the heck is he still alive?
I was hoping to make a different video than Roblox, but I don't know. It just came to my mind, dude. I'm going towards their flag.
Wait for me, wait for me.
No, dude, I'm already at it, dude. Crap, this person has an RPG. Well, I got the power of God and anime on my side, so I'm good. This is great hiding, isn't it? Right here. You expect me to fall for this? Nah, dude. Okay, get out the floor. Oh, what? What? Excuse me?
Oh,
I just died somehow.
I'm watching you ignite a screen.
Yay.
I can just call you Foxy or Ollie or Oliver.
Don't say that name.
Why?
Because
But that's not that person's on our team, not on our team. That person right there.
they're all on our team. Yep, that's right, that's me. I hate myself. Ay. I'm the best sprayer around here. Nobody else is.
I'm probably the second.
Yoink. Right. What? What?
I thought you were the top first, the best player.
No, I never said that.
It just
Did you just swear?
No.
Good.
Did you just swear?
Because I don't want to get demonetized.
What does that mean?
That means something. I don't know what it means. Well, I do know what it means, but I'm not going to tell you.
Where did Andrew go again?
He somewhere. Ay.
Didn't he tell us?
I'm pretty sure. He's probably gonna be watching this video like, what?
What?
Say what? Okay, I got the flag. I got the flag.
Guys, subscribe to him.
Subscribe to me, or else I'll murder you.
Yeah.
Psych. Oh, bunny hop right to our base as well. How that was awesome, but I didn't even get. How many kills did I get? I got 15. I've got 1,000 kills and 700 deaths. Awesome. And I've got 31,000 coins. That's awesome. I'm gonna get this. Oh, should I?
Guys,
Should I?
listen.
No, I'm not going to. I'm fine with the normal. Good.
Hello.
Hi.
Can people see your face?
No, I don't have a face cam on right now. I'm doing that until I reach a milestone, okay?
Someone's coming behind.
Oh, I only have 3 minutes left of recording. Awesome. Because I can only record for like 15 minutes.
Why?
Because that's how the recorder that I have works. I mean, I can set it to different times, but I think that costs moolah.
Smooth.
Oh! I just got sniped!
I just got sniped too, but I killed the person who sniped me, and then he killed me.
Whoever sniped me is going to so die. Never mind. I died.
Like, you gotta die. Oh, never mind. I died.
Bum, bum, bum. Bum, bum. That was my very first kill. All
Guys,
around me are familiar.
also, go to, what's his name?
No promoting channels.
Why?
Cause.
Why?
Cause.
Why?
Oh my god. I don't want to speak to you anymore.
Oh, I know why. Okay.
Oh,
Okay.
Get dodged.
No one subscribed to any other YouTuber. Only subscribe.
Yeah, only subscribe to me.
And if you don't,
My friend gets more views than me. So
he
please.
will murder you in your sleep.
Yeah, that's right. That makes sense. Okay. Hey. Yeah. Alright. No, let me pickaxe him. I want to pickaxe him. You can get the pickaxe him, but I managed to get him.
These niggas say her me.
Wow.
And the only other YouTuber you can subscribe to is 6ix9ine.
He's in jail.
Yeah, we should make something here. Haven't you seen his prison song?
Nope.
Bruh. It's really good. I mostly listen to it every day.
Turn on my DPI. Now build like a spaz.